When it comes to salads, I think of lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, onion, and just a regular salad. But you know, there is more to a salad than just all those regular ingredients like a house salad, a Caesar salad, a chef salad, a Cobb salad. There's more to it. There's 3-bean salads. There is rice salad dishes and all this stuff. So today I'm doing something totally different that is going to guarantee to make you the life of the party. And if it doesn't make you the life of the party, then please go back to the store and ask for a refund, because it is guaranteed that it will make you the life of the party. Welcome back, Cooking Squad. How's it going? Today I am making a dish that is a staple in our house, which means that it is made on a regular basis. When we're out of it, the next day we make more, and we keep going on and on and on. Today I am making a curry rice salad. But before I get into that, there are some shout outs I have to do. So I'm going to take out my trusty phone, because that's where I write everything, so I don't forget everything in my brain, because we all know I am forgetful at times. So the person that is getting a shout out is Corey Woodcocks. That is correct. He subscribed to my channel, he hit the bell, and he commented below, done. Good job, Corey Woodcocks. Also, there is a birthday today. Let me get my phone out for this too, because I forget too. And the birthday today is Kimberly Arbuckle Lamont. I'm sorry, I don't mean to screw up the name. I am terribly sorry, but happy birthday to you, Kimberly, because it's important to wish people happy birthday who are part of Cooking Squad, even though she is not really part of the Cooking Squad, but her husband is, or at least I think is. But the factor is, happy birthday to you, Kimberly, period. So let's get into this with the ingredients you need to create this yummy, delicious meal. So for the very first thing you're going to need for this deliciousness is you're going to need 2 teaspoons of vinegar. That's right there in the little white container, right there. It is clear, so you might not be able to see it, but it's white vinegar. Then you are going to need 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. You're going to need 2.5 cups of water. You're going to need 1/3 cup of a salad oil. I'm using olive oil because it works great for this and it doesn't change the taste. I mean, you could use canola oil, vegetable oil. You could use, for all I know, you could use coconut oil, but that will change it dramatically. You're going to need your green onions. So you're going to need 1/4 of a cup of green onions. That is about 3 to 4 little, well, the whole stalk of green onions. Then you're going to need your celery right here. You are going to need 1.5 cups of celery, which is about 5 sticks of celery. You're going to need the main ingredient, your 2 cups of rice. You're going to need salt right there in the back. You're going to need 1/2 teaspoon of salt, or to your liking, because not everything is going to be the greatest liking, so you might need more salt. You are going to need your curry powder. That is correct. That's one of the main ingredients. You're going to need 1.5 teaspoons to 2 teaspoons of curry powder, or to your liking, because maybe you like more curry powder than I do. You're going to need your peas. That is very important, your peas. You cannot forget about your peas. Your peas are about 1 pound of peas, or 1/2 a bag of peas. Then you're going to need your celery seeds right over there in the background. Oh, gotta focus. There we go, right in the background. So let's get on with this by cooking the rice. This stuff right now. As I told you in the ingredients, you're going to need rice. So the main ingredient is rice, as I have just right over there. And it is cooking for 12 minutes with your 2 cups of water, of course. Well, 2.5 cups of water, excuse me. 2.5 cups of water, and I put it on early so that because it takes the longest, so I put it on so that it can be cooked by the time I'm done with everything else. So so really it is almost actually done. The rice is done, and now what we're going to do is fluff it. So you remove the pot top. Be careful, it's very hot, the pot top. And you're going to take your fork and you're just going to mix it around. Very simple. And then you got to make sure that the bottom is fully dry, not wet at the bottom. So if you find that it's just a little bit wet at the bottom, that's fine. Take it and just cover it up again and let it sit for 5 minutes. Now that the rice has cooked and it looks like this, and I've already added into the bowl that I'm going to be adding everything into, okay, you're going to just fluff it up again, because sometimes it gets stuck at the bottom and you really don't want it to be all stuck to the bottom. So now what we're going to do is we are going to add in our peas. Now these peas we have cooked. You can cook them on a stovetop or you can cook them in the microwave. It's up to you really. It takes longer on a stovetop, but it sometimes takes longer on a in the microwave. I know in the microwave, when I looked at the time on the package for these frozen peas, it said that it was like 2 minutes. That's not true. You need about 7.5 to 8.5 minutes to actually get these peas cooked properly. So we're going to add them into our rice salad here, just like that. And we are going to mix. We're going to add in our olive oil now. We're going to add our soy sauce. Yum, 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 soy sauce. We're going to add in our white vinegar. That's a little itty bitty thing. The white vinegar, and we're going to mix that all up. Now we're going to add in our green onions. You always need green onions. I love green onions. Oh my gosh, they're amazing. Then you're going to add in your celery. Wow, that's a lot of celery. Dang. Didn't expect it to be that much, but oh well. Celery is always good. We'll just move that away. It is time to add the curry. So everyone is different how they do it. I like to sprinkle it on. Okay, well, you know what? I'm going to open up the big end because sprinkling it on like that gets stuck, and I don't like it when it gets stuck. So gonna do it this way. Do. Okay, now we're going to mix this in. Time to add the salt. The salt is the next ingredient. This is to taste, so let me get another spoon. Okay, reason for another spoon is because you don't want to cross-contaminate with this and this. When you stick this in your mouth, you don't want to mix it into your rice salad. So, I'm gonna add the salt. Now it's time to try it. So we are going to use our spoon and we're going to try this. To get a nice good taste, you want about a tablespoon. Good on the salt, but needs a lot more curry. Seriously, a lot more curry. So we're going to add more curry. We're going to mix it up, and that's about it. Okay, let's make sure we get that all in. Now we're going to try this one more time with a spoon. A different spoon, not the same one. Not the same one I stuck in there to mix or the one I tried it. You want a different spoon. I still feel like there's not enough curry powder. Wow. But that's me. But I am going to add a little bit more salt. You know what we forgot in Cooking Squad? I'm going to show you right now what I forgot. I forgot the celery seeds. They have to go in there too. Wow. Just going to sprinkle it in there and we're going to mix it up and that's it. Celery seeds smells good. There is the rice salad. Gonna move some stuff away so I can fully show you it. Because there is the rice salad. That's it. Now you're going to stick it in the fridge for between half an hour and an hour to cool it down, to get all the flavors to be stuck, well, to develop inside the big bowl. So you're going to need a cover top. Let's see if we got one. Well, you can use plastic wrap, you can use whatever, and you just add it into your fridge for half an hour. Cooking Squad, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video of me making curry rice salad. It is an amazing dish. It is, well, it's not as simple as everyone says it is. It's so simple to make. No, it's a pain in the butt sometimes. But nonetheless, it is fun. It is an amazing dish to try. It's great to develop your taste buds for curry or for other flavors, whatever it is. You can really taste everything. It is just an amazing dish. Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up. Also, remember to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, click the little subscribe button below with the little bell next to it. And if you do that, hit the subscribe button, the little bell, and you comment below, done, I will give you a nice shout out, as I have done. As you can see in this video, I have done before. And in previous videos, I've done many times. Okay, so also remember to share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. And remember, the 3 most important things is: you guys are awesome, you guys are amazing, you're one of a kind, you're beautiful. And also, to go with all that, is thank you so much for being part of Cooking Squad and being a great support. And the most important thing to remember is keep calm and cook on.